Hello everyone, my name's Nicolas and I've been making videos on my YouTube channel for several years now on a range of new technologies and innovations. I'm a first-year engineering student at HEI, Advanced Engineering Studies, with a passion for the fields of R&D and conception. Working as a YouTuber has enabled me to partner with various companies to present their latest and high-tech products. In the process, I've come across multiple interesting concepts and innovative technologies which have helped broaden my perspective on what we can do with technology. I've also had the opportunity to explore the world of modern robotics in the form of a drone that follows me on my adventures. The results from the adventures and the drone shots are phenomenal. As an engineering student, I'm looking forward to heading toward and specializing in mechanical design from my fourth year. This is primarily due to my long-term interest in technological innovation, prototype design and mobile robotics. I would love to work as an R&D engineer or as a project manager in the Navy, which will allow me to seek solutions to some complex challenges being experienced, such as exploration in hostile, restrictive and difficult to access environments. Therefore, developing a prototype mobile robot such as UAV, AUV, ROV, among others, remains my genuine interest. Being able to work on the design of a new product and participate in its improvement are tasks that would allow me to undertake actions in order to innovate for the world. I've had the opportunity to participate in some projects as an individual or as a group. I've managed a team of freelance electronics engineers in designing programmable printed circuits PCBs that are compatible with the Arduino environment. I've also had the privilege of managing fifth-year engineering students at HEI in mechanical design as part of the YES projects in Korea's experimenting student for over 8 weeks, which has immensely contributed to my desire to develop or actively participate in project development from scratch. For this reason, I'm currently developing a V-True prototype of my underwater drone as a group and individual project. The drone will be fitted with a clamp and deployed to collect waste from oceans, lakes and ports. It will also help with research and recycling of waste. My goal is to learn and develop other skills such as developing and improving innovative designs, product promotion, establishing partnerships, developing teamwork skills and managing teams. And I wanted to add that, as Xavier Tartacover said, the one who takes risks sometimes loses, but the one who doesn't always loses. I appreciate you so much for taking the time to watch my video. Please subscribe, comment and share widely. See you soon!